Hey Andy, I'm not 100% sure if you want me to go through again how to find these frequencies, but I already made two videos on that, and so that always comes up, and coming out again. Oh wait, I want that one. Anyway, I make videos now, so I'm just going to talk about more what happens up here, and what happens without change energies, what do you expect. So, this is just the kinetic energies. What happens to be squared, these are the different m's, the position squared, so x1 and x2. Using the table command to do that. Here's a potential energy where we have the k constants and we have distances they are using the happy lengths. And it's just the Euler-Lagrange, as we've always done. I thought this is kind of cool. I came out here and kind of played with it a bit, saw what it would spit out, and it's exactly what's expected, which is kind of cool. Anyway, changing them. So if you change the mass, we make this one much bigger. Like I said, 10. We expect that mass won't be affected much by the other mass. So I think it's best seeing the manipulate. Nope, I don't want to do that. Invest in manipulate command. Did I change a bit? That keeps doing that because it's an annoying thing that always happens. So which one I make? I'm one of the big ones. So that's this one. So we're saying no matter what this is, that's kind of going to stay the same, because if the mass on the far left and it's so big that the amount of energy made by this mass isn't really going to move it much. Conversely, if we made this near 0, close enough, this is really going to change the other one because it carries a lot of energy with it, a lot of weight. So that'd be that. As for the k constants, that would see here, if you make the one on the left really stiff, it would mean that the one on the far left doesn't want to move as much. So, and the one in the middle wouldn't really have all that much impact. Well, it would reduce the amplitude of both, but it wouldn't reduce the amplitude of both, but it wouldn't change a whole lot. So you made the far left one heavy. So as this changes, the far left one, yeah, it's got that nice big k constant. It doesn't change a whole lot. It doesn't affect the bottom one at all. It just doesn't like to move it a whole lot. It's so stiff. Of a spring. So I was saying before, I haven't checked this, but I think if you make this one big, that it will then just decrease the amplitudes. So it actually didn't have much of a change at all. That's kind of all we really expect out of it. I said not a lot of change in that, if any. So yeah, that's what I expect to happen when you change all of those.